In this video, you will learn how to check out your competitors' Google Ads. First, use the Google search. Search for targeted keywords on Google. You will see which ads appear on top. Note, ad copy, offer, landing page and more. Your competitors are all using. Then, use an Ad Transparency Center. Visit Google's Ads Transparency Center. Enter a competitor's name or website. You will see an active ad they are running across the Google platform. This will include search, display, YouTube or more. Try auction insights in Google Ads. In your own Google Ads account, go to Campaigns, Ad Groups or Keywords tab. Then click on Auction Insights. You can see who you're competing with in the same auctions. View metrics such as shares, impressions, positions, above rate and overlap rate. Use competitor tools. Use tools like SEMrush, SpyFu or to get a greater insight in competitors' knowledge and keywords to estimate your budget. These tools will help you know what keywords you're bidding for and how long they've been running a specific ad for. Analyze their landing page. Click on your competitor's ad or view them through the tool. Note, design, messaging, call to action all affect users' experience. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.